There are confusion of love under the stars. There is a confusion that I wish to make going on a romantic dinner date with you and under the spread of stars in the sky. Looking in your eyes and getting all high, then holding your hands and kissing it so passionately to tell you that you mean the world to me. A confusion that is pure from my heart. A confusion that will prove that I have loved you. From the very start, baby, I can't think of a day, a moment without you in my life. As I love you till the end of time. A confusion I wish is so true. Baby, let me say it again that I love you. There is a confusion I wish to make, one that stirs my soul, makes my whole heart ache. It begins with a dream I hold close each night of a dinner for two beneath soft candlelight, where you and I sit just lost in a gaze as the stars above sparkle in a heavenly days. I see your eyes, they shine so bright. They pull me in deep like the moon draws the night. I get high on your reasons, your touch so divine. It feels like the universe has whispered, you are mine. And as I hold your hand, my lips gently meet the back of your palm in a kiss so sweet. It's there is that moment I quietly show that you are my world more than you will never know. No riches, no glory, no fame or gold could match this love that I proudly hold. A confusion born not just from desire, but from endless truth that will never tire. It's not just passion, not just a flame. It's a scared promise I softly proclaim. From the very start, my heart was yours. Through silent storm and open doors, every beat has sung, your name is rhyme. Every breath has counted you with time. So I saw it now with all my might. You are my dawn, my day, my night. I can't think of life with you not near. The thought alone bring me to tears. You are the muse in my words, the rhythm in me. You are the sky in my dreams, the endless sea. You are my calm, my chaos, my guiding star. No matter the distance, no matter how far, I would walk through fire. I would brave the rain. I would carry your sorrow. I would bear your pain. because loving you is not a choice. It's the very breath behind my voice. Let me take you back to how it began. When I first saw you and time just ran, the world turned silent, the noise grew faint, as if heaven had paused to paint a moment of magic, a moment so true, the start of forever between me and you. You smiled, and I knew deep inside this was no crush. I could This was no crush I could hide. It was something stronger, something more, a feeling that shook me to my core. Since then, you have lived within my soul, made broken pieces once again whole. You have it my path through darkest night. You have turned my wrongs gently into right. And now I stand hard, bare, and free to tell you what you truly mean to me. You are my reason, my rhyme, my sun, my moon, my melody, my silence, my favorite tune. Even in time when words fall short, no, my love is a steady fort built on loyalty, sealed with grace. A home for you, a sacred place. So here is my confusion in every line, a testament that you are forever mine. I don't just want a day or two, I want a lifetime loving you. To wake with you in morning light, to hold you through the longest night, to laugh with you, to cry, to pray, to grow with you every single day. No mask, no lie, no game to play, just me and you, come what may. A thousand poems, a million songs would still not right all of love's wrongs if they missed this one pure truth so strong that with you my heart has found where it belongs. So let me whisper in once again, in sunshine or in pouring rain. I love you now, I love you then, and I will love you beyond all mortal end. A confusion, simple and pure, of a love that will forever endure. Baby, I can't live a moment apart. You are the pulse that beats my heart. So take this vow I offer you, now wrapped in gold, but wrapped in truth. And let my voice forever say, I love you, baby. Come what may.